In this video, we are going to look at the 9-blink code for Panasonic Plasma TVs made in 2011. Here are the model numbers on the screen that this blink code will apply to. Just a reminder that if you have a question about your repair or your TV problem, feel free to comment below this video. We appreciate when you subscribe and leave a comment with your question, and we will respond as quickly as we can. Be sure to include your TV model number, the brand, and the symptoms that your TV is showing. That will help us to best determine the fix for your TV repair and get the response back to you as quickly as possible. Just to go over a few boards here on the TV, over here we have the main board, also referred to as the A board. Here we have the SS board, also referred to as an X sustain or X main board on some TVs. Here we have the power supply board, which can also be referred to as the P board. Here we have the SC board. This can also be referred to as the Y sustain, YSUS, and Y main board for different brands. Here we have the buffers that connect to the SC board. These are also SU and SD boards and can be Y scan drives and different buffers for different brands as well. Here's what the 9-blink code looks like on the Panasonic Plasma TV. The 9-blink code is primarily caused by ICs that are located in only the A main board over here. Since the problem can only originate from the main board, that means that is the board that you'll want to replace if you are getting a 9-blink code. We'll now take a closer look at the A main board and how to replace it. Now, before removing these boards or replacing them, you'll want to do a few things. You'll want to turn off your TV, unplug it from any power. You'll also want to make sure that you've grounded yourself properly so that you don't damage any of the boards or the TV. When removing the main board, we'll want to start by disconnecting all these cables and ribbon cables here. You'll always want to use caution whenever disconnecting any of these cables or ribbon cables. These tabs just kind of flip up here, like that, and then you can pull out the ribbon cable gently. Again, this tab just flips up and you can pull it out. After you have disconnected all of the cables, then you'll want to remove all the screws that are holding the main board to the chassis. So you'll see there's some, you might not be able to see, but there's some here, some down around here. There were some screws here that I've already removed. So you'll just have to work around however many screws are connecting the board and disconnect anything that's attached to it, like this piece here. And you can go ahead and lift off the board. You'll want to remove the cables from these little harnesses here that are holding the cables in place as well. On this specific board, you'll also have to remove this black piece here, as the board was sitting like this originally. Then you'll want to remove this piece here, and then eventually take the board out of this metal frame. You could also try, if your TV is different or on this TV, to simply just remove this board from the chassis. I decided here to take out the entire frame and then remove the black piece, as that sometimes is easiest and less complicated. So we've removed that piece. Then you can just go ahead and pull the board out. And then we will get our new board and reattach it to the TV. So I've put the replacement board back into this metal piece here, and also reattached this black plastic piece. So we should be good to screw the board back down to the chassis and then reconnect all of the cables. Then we can take these cables and run them back through here. And then the ribbon cables, so we'll leave that black tab up. Then we'll just slide the cable in, snap it down. There we go. Oops. Get this back in here, close it. And just like that, we have replaced the main board in the TV. Again, these are the following models that this video will work for. Please remember, if you have a question, to comment below the video in the comment section. Please include your TV model number, the symptoms that your TV is showing, and any other details that you think will be necessary for us to identify a replacement part for you. Thank you for watching one of our many tutorials here at ShopJimmy.com. If you have any further questions regarding your repair, simply post a question in the comment section below or call our award-winning customer service team at the number on your screen. We strive to learn and share new TV repair tips every day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and grow with us. Share our videos with your friends to help us spread the savings, and don't forget to hit that like button.